What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys see, we are in the car. I did mention we're going to be starting off the next video right after the one before. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, click on the video right up above. That's yesterday's video. So that video had to do with fitness. Today is a vlog day. Today, like I said, it's like a freelance day where I like to do really anything that I can and like to do and share with you guys, and hopefully you guys like it as well. So as you read by the title, today is going to be our first mod to the car. It is, I guess, kind of like our second mod. However, this is gonna be the first one I'm sharing with you guys. I do also have a taser in the car. This is a 2018 Dodge Charger Daytona, a 392. It does have a taser, which unlocked SRT pages for me. I guess it's kind of like a mod, the first mod that I did, but it's gonna be the first one where I actually enhance anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get that mid-muffler delete, and we're gonna see how she sounds. But before that, let's hear this car, how it sounds for the last time. It's gonna be sounding like this. So next time we hear this car, it's not gonna sound like that. So let's go get this mid-muffler delete and see how she's gonna sound after it. So as you hear, I mean, the car, honestly, it already sounds nice. I love the way it sounds. However, I really like the sound of it when it does those pops, those rumbles. When I've heard other 392s with mid-muffler deletes. That's the main reason why I want to do this mod. I'm not doing it to be obnoxious and loud. It's just that sound is totally different. It's a whole different beast. And I want that upgrade from my car. I want my car to sound like that. I will be showing you guys also how the car does sound before and after the mid-muffler delete. So I'm going to be showing you guys a cold start and then how it sounds, obviously revving it up, and then you guys will see the difference between a stock exhaust and when you do a mid-muffler delete on it. Now, some people have mentioned about doing resonator deleting on it. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that just because of the active exhaust, and I don't want to mess with all that. But I don't know, we'll see. I mean, we'll see what we're going to do with the car. I'm not even entirely sure what exactly we're going to be doing to it yet. This is obviously the first thing we're going to be doing to it, and hopefully maybe a little bit more modding to it. For those of you that do know me, you guys know I've wanted a Hellcat so bad. Honestly, I've been wanting one forever, and maybe down the road eventually I'll be able to get myself one, but for now, I'm going to enjoy this car. I've been loving it. I am enjoying it, and let's enjoy this car while we have it, and then maybe sometime in the future, hopefully, we'll get ourselves that Hellcat. But for now, we'll do what we got. This Daytona is a beast. It's a monster, so I'm more than happy with it, and it's a freaking enjoyable car. So today I am getting that mid-muffler delete, as I mentioned. We're on our way now. I am also going to be doing, however, changing the brake pads. So I'm going to be doing the power stop brakes, which will help out with the brake dust that these cars have so much freaking brake dust. It's crazy how much brake dust they give off. So with these new brake pads, it's supposed to, I think, eliminate like 100% of the brake dust, if not most of it. But we'll be doing that to all 4 of the brakes. So if you guys would like to see something like that, make sure you guys like the video, and let me know down below if you'd like to see that video and see how it comes out and maybe see some of the differences. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'll be changing the brakes finally to the car. Also, just a little bit of information as far as this car goes. I mean, a lot of you, if you're clicking on it or if you found this video, you know what the car is. But for those of you that don't, this is a 2018 Dodge Charger Daytona. It is a 392. That means that it has the 392 engine, 6.4 liter. It is 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. This car, I think, has a top speed of around 160 miles per hour. Has 6-piston Brembo brakes up in the front and 4-piston Brembos out in back. What that means is it has a lot of stopping power. You need a lot of stopping power for all that horsepower you have in this damn car. So the reason why the Daytona is a little different, you can get yourself a scat pack that has all of these upgrades in it. It's going to cost you right around the same as the Daytona. However, the Daytona has Alcantara seating, which you can also get on the scat pack. This one's going to have the Daytona with the yellow stitching around the car. You're going to have, obviously, your Daytona decal in the back and the Hemi decal up in the hood. Also, like mine, it does have the matte decal up on top of the roof. So the roofing is matte. That's also one of the things you get part of the Daytona package. You do also get 275 Pirellis all around the car, rather than the other stock wheels that you get in the scat pack. And then the rims are also different. The rims are going to be a different set that you only get for the Daytona package. So yeah, that's a little bit of information on the Charger Daytona 392, in case you guys didn't know. But we're about to get there. So let's go get rid of this mid-mufflers and see how she's going to sound. Alright guys, so we just got our mid-muffler delete. I'm sure you guys already heard it. Sounds freaking loud. It's super, super loud. Let's go right along with it and see how loud it is on the streets. Jesus Christ, that thing is freaking loud. Oh my god, that's so much fun. That was with the window down. Let's see with the windows up. That thing is lovely. Oh yeah, at the lower RPMs, I'm really liking the burbles it's giving. That's what I really wanted from it. So I'm glad I got that. But we are gonna hit a tunnel in this area here, so. You know, so far from what I've noticed, when you're kind of just cruising, it's not really as loud, which is a good thing. So we're going through neighborhoods, you know, or areas where we're not trying to be that loud. It'll stay pretty quiet. I mean, not necessarily quiet, but not as loud as when you step on it, when you give it some throttle. Let's see how she sounds in here. Ready for this? Woo! God damn, she loud. Oh man. We should be hitting another tunnel pretty soon. So we'll be doing, sorry, not a tunnel, underpass. We'll be hitting another underpass soon. That way we'll see how it sounds with the windows up. So the one you heard before was with the windows down. This is with windows up. Woo! Damn, she bad. Oh my god. So yeah, there's the video guys. There's the sound of the mid pipe. There's the mid pipe installed, or I guess removed and installed to our Charger Daytona 392. Sounds freaking amazing. Sounds awesome. You guys already heard the clips of how it sounds, you know, cold start before and after the mid pipe, and how it sounds, you know, just running in general, and how it sounds with some revs. If you do like these kind of videos, if you'd like to see more, make sure you guys smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Make sure you guys hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single upload. And comment down below what kind of content you'd like to see. Now remember, I am going to be changing the brakes on these. I'll be changing the front and rear brakes. So we're going to be doing the power stop brakes on them instead of the factory Brembos that it currently has. So it is just the brake pads, by the way, not the brakes itself, just the brake pads. We'll be posting that video for next week. Now that's it for me. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.